Good morning, YouTube. Today is January 22nd, 2009. It's about 8:45. Let's look at market direction. Wall Street is headed for mostly lower open, says here. Oil hit $45. So I'll check out some stocks in the news and rebuild my watch list, and I'll be back at 9:30. Our market's opening up here. Looks like we got a gap down as expected. You know what? Just went long on UNP. It's got a pretty big spread, but I'm expecting this to go up. Might scalp it on that the 50-day moving average. Alright, I'm looking to sell here. Dropped right back down. Alright, I just sold there at $39.77. Quick $280 on there. It's a good play for me. I'm looking to short some eBay. I want a little bit of a better price. It looks like I'm not going to get it. So there we go. I just wanted to see it green. Forget it. Too late. Alright, you know what? I'm going to do it. You see, alright, right there. Went short at 11.74. You know what? I just got out there, made 20 bucks. I could have made a little more, but whatever. Alright, I'm gonna scalp short here. Just went short on PALM, PALM, set at 748. Let's see what we could get out of this. Just bought back. Downgrade plays here. I just shorted at 15.96. Let's see what happens. I'll be back to update. Market's falling out pretty nicely, but pool's not really following this drop. So I'll wait it out a bit. I'll be back to update. I'm just gonna get out of this here. Just got out, made 40 bucks. Looks like the sellers aren't really here, so I'm happy with my $40. It's almost 9:50 around that market reversal time, so I don't have any open positions at the moment. Alright, I'm gonna take a short here on financial security. This is PNC. Alright, just went short. Got in at 28.62, and I'm gonna give it some wiggle room to about 72. Alright, just dropped pretty nice for me. I'm up about 200. Want to keep whatever I got, so if it goes back to the 50s, I'm gonna get out. There we go, just dropped nice. I'm gonna buy back here. Spot back at 28.20 and made $420 on that little move. On to the next one. I'm looking at a solar stock here. Drew in some lines and just making sort of a triangle pattern starting. Know what I'm gonna do? It's about 500 long at 23.70. Just to look at it. So I'll be back to update. Alright, it's starting to move my way. This is the kind of move I was waiting for. ENER compared to its brothers, ESLR and FSLR. Those are the ones I was watching. ESLR really fell out, and so did First Solar. So might just sell right here, make a $50 profit. I'll wait just a bit longer. Alright, it just sold out there. Someone messed up my order. Wow. But I sold at 23.80, and I'm gonna. This is another solar stock, LDK, and I just went long at 11.50. What I'm hoping for is that it'll catch up to its brothers here. FSLR got that nice pop. I'll be back to update. Alright, it's starting to move my way. I started not liking what I see. I didn't want it to hit 11.40, which it didn't, so I'm still good. Alright, it's starting to go my way. I'm not in the money yet because of the spread, so what I really needed to do is to break out, break away from that moving average line. I should be in the money. I'm starting not to like this play. I might just take a loser here. Alright, just took a loss on there, $170. I really just wanted to get out. The market's looking like they're gonna drop right now, so I'll take that loser. Alright, I see here GDX. The gold stocks are the strongest sector. So I'm gonna buy up a lagger here. This is KGC. I just bought some 1,000 at 17.42. Starting to not like what I see. If it hits 35, I'm getting out. 17.35. It's at 38. Alright, Exxon's starting to work for me. Drop nice here. I'm gonna buy back. Alright, just bought back. Got filled at 77.38. So that was a nice play there. Went through this rough upswing, and then it just sold off like crazy. So on to the next one.